Hi, welcome back to another video. Now I haven't seen inside here, so I'm just about to open it. It's the normal what box is this? What month are we on? November. So this is the November monthly box from Glitter Planet. So as you can see, it comes in another box. So I'm just going to pull that out quickly because it's not enough room under the camera. Nothing else in there, is there? Nope. Right, I have bought another 3D acrylic brush because my other one's quite small. I wanted one a little bit bigger, and I might be able to get it out the damn packet in a minute. Right, you obviously get little replacement rubber rings for around this because they are, as you can see, they move. So I've gone for a slightly larger one. I think this, I can't remember if it was a size 8 or something. Obviously it's got on there, glitterplanet.com, 100% clean skin. Oh look, it's a number 5. It's on the other side. I was going to say that's bloody small for a that's small for a size 8. Actually, I can leave that off. Pop that in because it can go in here. Now, if you haven't seen these before, these are from Glitter Planet as well, and it's a brush case. Shall I go in the other way? You're going the other way. So I've got my gel brush in there, and then as you can see, I've got the 3 acrylic brushes that I alternate. That brush there is 2 years old and it is still pristine. Somebody asked about this the other day actually. As you can see, I really look after my brushes. You've got to, otherwise you'll end up buying them all the more, and they're not cheap. That's my normal 3D brush. So it's not a huge one. That's a Makartt one. It's good, they're good brushes, but I wanted one slightly bigger, so I thought I would get some more. Somebody asked the other day about, I keep a separate bottle of cuticle oil, and whenever I have finished, let's use it on the old brush, or the older brush, whenever I've finished using my brush, all I will do is go across it with some cuticle oil and then push it back into shape. Only do that if you've got gloves on, by the way. Don't put your fingers on your acrylic brush if you haven't got any on. But that is kept separate, that cuticle oil. I don't use it on anybody. It literally only goes on my brushes. Whatever you do, don't do that on your brushes and then go use it on your cuticles. You'll end up with an allergy. And like I say, don't do it with your naked hand. But yes, that's all I do to my brushes once they're cleaned. And I just smooth them back in place and then put them away. And that is a tip from, that's not me what's made that up, by the way. That's a tip from a lady called Natasha Lee, who is, well, she's one of the top UK artists. So don't take it from me, take it from her. If you look her up on YouTube, you'll find her. Her name's Natasha Lee. So that was that. And we have now got the November mystery box. Some sweeties. We like sweeties. Right, sweeties always go down well. Oh, that's cute. Look, a little nail mate pin badge. How cute is that? Brighten that up so you can see. So it's got a double buckle on the back. Cute, isn't it? We have got black and silver hollow snowflake foil. I'm not going to pull it out because there's quite a lot there. So that'll come in handy for Christmas sets. If I find that I've already got it, I will put it in a giveaway. And then we have got some silver foil by the looks of it. I will put that one in the giveaway because in the giveaway box, because I know I have got quite a lot of foil. Okay, so we have got Forget Me Not, which is a matte mix. It's quite pretty. So you've got like a cerise pink and then a baby pink and baby blue and some mint coloured hexes in there. Hazy, that's pretty. So this one has got iridescent in it, but it's a multi-mix and there's hexes in there and stars. So you've got some fine in there as well. You can see it's got an iridescent shift to it. Very pretty. Relax, that one. Baby blue pearl rice shape. So these are great for doing flowers. So they're baby blue, but they are iridescent. They're giving off that green shift. Another pretty one. And baby blue flower. So we've got the flowers, which have got the cutout centre, but there's also the centres in there as well. Pretty. Snowflakes blue iridescent. Wow, blimey. They show up like, it's almost like a bright orange. It's flicking to. It's like a fire colour. They're really, really sparkly. Crystal ice. So these are rhombus shaped, diamond, if you want to call them diamond. Quite pretty. Pretty. And framed heart. Let's get one of them out. Oops. So they've got a flat back, but they're curved to the nail. Try and turn them over. They're quite sparkly. So they've got that big heart gem in the middle, which has got facets on it, so it's quite pretty. They're quite nice. And Crystal AB small bow. Come on, out you come. Okay, same with these, flat back, but they're slightly curved. Little crystal bow. They're quite nice. Relax them. I won't tip these ones out because we've all seen these before. Okay, so you've got some teardrops there. What else have we got? Oh, we've got some more pots. Loads of pots. We like pots, and they're the big pots as well. And we have got some pre-pinched stiletto nail tips. So they look like the ones that I normally use. Which don't have any well on them. As you can see, there is no welt. They literally just cuff the nail. I like these ones. I prefer these to having one with a well on it. I suppose it's just all according to what you're used to, isn't it? So that's that one. Then we've got some instant nail glue and luxury coconut cuticle oil. Let's have a smell. Break it open. Oh, that smells nice. That's really coconutty, isn't it? We like that. That's good. Oh, another pot. I missed a pot. Frostbite. It's quite a pretty one, isn't it? I always like to look at them on the glove. See how sparkly they are. That's really pretty. Don't know if I've got that one or not, but Frenchies. Okay, this one has got some strands in by the looks of it. Looks pretty though. I don't mind those strands, they're the really, really tiny ones. I don't mind if they're in acrylic or in a mix. I just don't like them if they're on their own. And then we have got some gel polishes. So we've got white out. I'm always looking for white. We all know what white's like, so I'm not going to open that one. Frozen. Oh, that's a pretty blue. I always love those stubby brushes. They're really nice to use. We like that one. And then last but not least, Strawberry Glow. Oh. Strawberry Glow. Oh, that's pretty. So it's that's going to look wicked on black for sure. Shall we swatch those two colours? I think we should.